How to use Zoho CRM for free. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get started with the Zoho CRM. So let's get into it. Now, Zoho provides you with a very simple and easy to use integrated CRM platform where you have different applications like your recruitment, your books, your mailing, your support and service center all in one platform. So it is a absolute complete package. Now, to get started, you're just going to go on to zoho.com and you're going to click on over here onto their CRM, and then you can get started with your free trial. Now, you can sign in using LinkedIn or Google as well. So I'm going to continue with my Google account. You can sign in via your email as well, and then you're just going to continue with your email. Now, I'm going to update my location. I'm going to click on continue. And once you have signed up, this is going to lead you to your home page. We're just going to wait for our home page to load up just so I can show you guys. Now you can see over here that my basic trial has expired. You're going to get a free trial of their premium features as well. So I'm going to continue in the free edition of the Zoho CRM, but there are still a lot of different features in the Zoho CRM. Now you can see over here, on your top, the first thing, this is your homepage. So on your homepage, you have different widgets and you can add or remove widgets according to your basic needs. Now, after your homepage, you have leads, contacts, accounts, deals, activities, reports, feeds, campaigns. And if you click on over here, you can take a look at all of the documents present in your CRM and all of the visits of your CRM or your basic website as well. Now, if you click on leads over here, you can take a look at the different leads that you are able to generate. Now, I have this simple little sample loaded on over here, but to add a lead, what you just do is click on the create lead over here, and then you can add the lead if they are an individual, if they belong to a company, you can add their address information, so on and so forth. After that, you have your contacts. So contacts are people that you are currently doing business with. So you can just create a contact, or another great feature is that you can import your contacts or your leads as well. If you already have them saved in a CSV file or in a Excel spreadsheet, you can easily import those contacts directly on to your Zoho CRM. And then you also have a mass update, mass delete, mass email function as well. So let's say you're going to be closing shop for 2 days. What you can do is you can click on action over here. You can click on mass email, and then you can set up a email and send it to the entire contact list that you're going to be closed on this and this date, so they know that you're not going to be in business. And that allows you a lot of simple, communication gaps can really be detrimental to your business. And setting up mass emails with your contacts is very helpful for most people to make sure that their business is on the same page. Now, after that, you have your account. So on your accounts, you have your account name, you have their website, you have the account owner, and you can create different accounts according to the person that is dealing with them. Accounts basically means the business layout or the other business or the people that you are in a functioning relationship with. So you have your account owner that you can set. You can have your annual revenue. You can have your industry that you're working from. You can have all of those set up right in your account section, and you can also set your account owners. So after that, you also have your deals. So if you click on your deals over here, you can take a look at the basic deals that you have set up. If you're currently within a deal, if you're making a deal, you can click on create deal over here, and what you can do is name the deal. Let's say this is going to be cinema investment. So I'm going to add cinema investment, then I can add the account name, which account this is being done with. This is going to be with my account called Chapman. And after that, I'm going to add what type of business this is, what type of deal this is. So this is a existing business because I'm working with someone that I have previously worked with. And then I'm going to add the next step, which is going to be negotiations. And then you're going to add your lead source. So you can leave this empty, or if this was like a cold call, or if you just made this deal via public relations, whatever is the initial source of your business, you can add that over here as well. And then you can also add your contact name. So let's say from Chapman, whoever is the basic person that you're communicating via in Chapman, you add that person as the contact name. So let's say this is Simon, and you can click on create new contact, Simon, save and associate, like so. And then you can add the amount for this deal. So let's say this is $90,000. Then you can add the closing date. So when is the date that you want this deal to be closed? So let's say this is going to be 31st of March. And after that, you have the stage of the deal. So if this is a need analysis, closed won, closed lost to competition, what stage is this deal in? And you can add your own custom stages as well. I have already added these, so these are the ones that are showing up. Now I'm going to be in the negotiation and review stage. Then you have your probability you can add. So let's say I have a 95% probability, and then you can add your expected revenue, and then you have your campaign source that you can add as well. So after that, you can just click on save over here, and then you have your new deal in your deals section. So you can monitor all of your deals, and if a deal goes sour, you can mark that as a failed deal as well. So this helps you in navigating through your successful and unsuccessful deals. You can easily manage like who are the people that you are most working with. So let's say I open up this deal, and if it is not working, I can delete the deal as well, or I can mark it as a failed deal. So after that, you have your basic activity section. From here, you basically manage all of the open deals, all of your leads, contacts, and anything that is currently happening within the past few days. It's going to be in your activity section. You can add different tasks, meetings, and calls. Let's say I want to add a meeting, so I'm going to add updates on June, and then you can add the location for the meeting. You can add a Zoom conference link or anything like that. You can add when this meeting is going to occur. You can add the host of the meeting. You can invite certain participants or certain members that you only want to be present in the meeting, or you can add all of your members, and you can add the basic item that this meeting is related to. So maybe if this meeting is related to finances, the person working in sales doesn't have to come, so you can add that as well. And you can just click on save over here, and then your new meeting has been created. So your entire business or your entire management is informed that there is a meeting happening then and then. Then you have your basic report section where you can manage all of your reports. You can have custom reports based on the kind of business that you are running. This is like a real estate business. That's why all of my reports are like cases and campaigns, and it's the real estate and marketing. So these are the kind of reports that I'm getting. You're going to have customized reports according to whatever kind of business field that you're working in. Then you have your feeds. So in your feeds, you have your messaging, and you can add like any kind of attachments, any basic information you want to convey to the rest of your team. You can add it to your feed section over here. Now, then you have your visits, and then you also have your campaign section. So you can create a specific campaign. Let's say I want a resurrection campaign of my brand. So you can click on create campaign, and you can set up an entire campaign. You can set certain individuals that are only going to be working on that campaign to have a cost and revenue estimate of that campaign. So let's say this is going to be burger menu revival. And then I can add the start date of tomorrow, and then I can have the expected revenue. Let's say the expected revenue is $600, and the cost is going to be around $300. And then you can add the type. So let's say this is going to be a telemarketing campaign, and let's say this is going to be active, and then you can add the end date. So I want this to end at the end of this month, and this is the budgeted cost. So let's say I budget the cost to be around 400, and expected response is you can add it to be a positive expected response, and then you can add a more detailed description of your campaign as well. And then you're just going to click on save, and just like that, I have added this new campaign. I can add notes, I can add more campaign, I can add open activities within the campaign, add campaign exclusive attachments, closed activities, leads, and deals that are exclusive to this campaign. And after that, you have your basic documents as well. So within your CRM feature, you can have all of your documents stacked up in one simple location, which is going to be the documents folder. You don't have to work around to find all of your documents. You're going to find the entire team's documents all in one place. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and you're now able to set up your own customer CRM using Zoho CRM. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comment box down below, and I will catch you guys in the next video.